Hey, future teachers. Welcome back to Praxis USA. If you're struggling with Praxis Elementary 5001 Math, this video is for you. Today is day 3 of our 60-day plan, and I'm giving you 50 of the most important core math practice questions that actually show up on the ETS exam. Stay till the end, because I'm also giving you a free PDF with all 50 questions plus answer key. On the Praxis 5001 core math test, you get 56 questions in 90 minutes. That's just 1.6 minutes per question. So speed plus accuracy equals pass. Today we're covering 4 sections. 1. Number and operations. 2. Algebra and functions. 3. Word problems. 4. Data and probability. I'll solve 10 questions live with tricks, and the full 50 PDF is in the description. All right, let's start with section E, number and operations. Q1. What is 3/4 of 240? Trick. Multiply first, then divide. 240 times 3 is equal to 720. 720 divided by 4 is equal to 180. Answer is B. ETS loves this type. Q2. 25% of 80? Trick. 25% equals 1/4. So 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Answer B. Don't waste time with calculator. Q3. Round 3.487 to nearest 10. Look at hundreds place it. Since 8 greater than 5, we round up. 3.5. Answer B. Q4. Which is greater? 2/3 or March 5th? Cross multiply trick. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So 2/3 is bigger. Answer A. Moving to section B, algebra. Q5. If 3x plus 5 is equal to 20, what is x? Step 1. 3x equals 20. 5 is equal to 15. Step 2. X equals 15/3 equals 5. Answer C. Q6. Pattern. 2, 4, 8, 16. This is x2 pattern. 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Answer C. Section C. Word problem. Q7. Teacher has 48 pencils for 6 students. How many each? 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Answer C. Always read equally carefully. Q8. Book $12.50 plus 8% tax. Total? 8% of 12.50 equals $1. So 12.50 plus 1.00 equals $13.50. Answer B. Section D. Data. Q9. Median of 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Put in order. Middle number equals 8. Answer B. Q10. 1/4 chance of rain. Chance it will not rain. 1. 1/4 equals 3/4. Answer C. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. 3 quick tips to pass Praxis 5001 Math. Tip 1. Don't use calculator for everything. 4 fractions and percents. Mental math is 2x faster. Tip 2. If a question takes more than 2 minutes, skip it. Come back later. Time management is everything. Tip 3. Watch for words like not, except, least. ETS traps you there. I know 10 questions aren't enough. That's why I made a free PDF with all 50 questions, with step-by-step solutions and the full answer key. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Just comment PDF and I'll send you the download link too. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe because day 4 drops tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're doing geometry and measurement, area, volume, coordinate plane. You got this. You will pass Praxis 5001. I'll see you in day 4. Keep studying. Praxis USA, helping you become a certified teacher. Description में PDF plus blog link दोनों है. Bye.